Welcome to my creation. Let's start the magic. First make proper sketch and if it is dark, erase it so that the strokes do not appear after coloring, giving bad impression. Now wet the region that has to be painted so that the color mix easily. Watercolor, we work in layers, means doing over again and again till we reach our goals. First layer is completed. The most important thing is to take care of highlights and shadows that will automatically make the drawing beautiful. I am now adding only darker tone to make shadows on face, more dark to show expression on it, in neck to show the curves. To add shadows, put the color in the shadowy part. Take a dry brush and gently try to merge it with the other colors. This process is little hard but practice it and you will do it one day. This is only called layering. Repeat this process till you achieve the perfect color. But remember that don't overdo it, otherwise paper will be torn. Different papers have different capacities of taking layers. So take proper paper for watercolor. Now almost face is completed. We will do here. In here we will do coloring in two layers. Base color with ochre, scarlet brown and violet. Then we'll make shadows by process of layering. Repeat the same process as we done in face. Last thing is to paint the background with blue, violet and prince grey so that the object could look more beautiful. And then sprinkle of white to give more artistic look.